All right, so we just got a call. Apparently a crate, at least that's what they say it is, just came up in a fishing net. We need to boogie over to the village next to us. So we are jumping on the ATV and heading over there. It sounds like it's in the net, in the fishing net. So there's not like a huge urgency, but they definitely want us to come and get that snake out of there. So we have bags and hooks this time. So let's get at it, you guys. So we are following the fisherman. He's leading us to wherever this net is at with the snake. I'm actually really impressed that he called us, that he knows who we are. These people must be watching our videos also. Apple, do you know him?
Yes, they know us.
But do you know him?
I know him. It's my dad's friend.
Down this road?
Yeah, I never been down this road before.
This is cool.
Yeah.
I didn't expect all this.
I want some of the ATV like yours. Yeah, it's still on. ไปเดี๋ยวหนูลงไปด้วยค่ะแม่นบอกว่ามันติดอันอยู่ในนั้นพอนะอยู่ในอันนั้นเลยบ่Hopefully it's still there. That's what he said.
This is beautiful. Maybe at some point ask him if he minds if we come here some night to walk around.
I don't think he would mind at all. He would love it.
Ask first.
Sure. But when you can, they have to. You have to walk. Down here. You have to walk in the mud.
Okay. Barefoot?
Yeah.
Safety first, or is it safety third?
I'm ready for the mud. กำลังไปค่ะ It's still there. He said.
This is how you know you're hardcore.
Just don't fall, baby.
พ่อยานโตเขาเป็นลื่นมากเลยเล่นครับแล้วก็พระบริห้อยพ่อยัดทีนี้
บ่
นี่นะเนี่ยพ่อมาห้อยนี่เห็นพ่อเล่นครับ
Oh, He came here. He said he saw it. As soon as he saw
Oh
it,
Thấy
yeah.
lắng gặp,
he
thấy
walked
à?
back.
Thấy một.
Oh,
Oh wow.
that's a big one.
That is a big one, and he's looking right at us.
Face his head.
Looking right here.
Okay. ตัวใหญ่ค่ะ
Quá thế nào hỏi phò dặn khuyên.
he came over here to see fruit print, and then he saw it. He spring back and tried to go find our phone number. I mean, my dad's phone number.
Tell him thank you. So explain to me, where is the opening of this?
Okay. Is it? บ่เป็นหยังค่ะ เอาปลอดภัยไว้ก่อนค่ะ safety first ค่ะ
แต่ว่ามายังมันยังยุ่งดีนะ
บ่เป็นหยังค่ะเดี๋ยวกระป้อยไปปล่อยทางอื่นเถอะวะ
ปล่อยใจกับปล่อยเขาแต่ว่ายัดขายหน้าเนี่ยนะมาว่ากูเห็นเลยนะ
บ่เป็นหยัง
มาเพิ่นโอ้ยวายมีแต่พาอยู่ที่เอวนี่นะ
ไม่โบดอกค่ะตัวจ้ะ Careful. Ooh, that is a gigantic one.
ตัวนี้อยู่เลยเนาะ
If he stays, I can just get a grab on him.
Yeah, please be careful.
จับเอาบนนี้เลย
คีบค่ะแนวคีบแล้วก็คีบใส่ถุงจ้ะ
โอ้คิดผมไม่รู้เรื่องเลย
เป็นงานค่ะ
โอ้
There's his head.
โอ้
ก็เป็นงานค่ะพ่อ
ไม่ได้หัวไม่ได้เถอะ
แล้วเนี่ยโหยฝั่งนี้เลย
โอ้ยคนในหมู่บ้านยับบายได้หมดเลย
เป็นงานค่ะดูเป็นงาน
โอ้ยมันแม่นบ่หัวมันฝั่งนี้ไม่ได้นะให้เล่นอยู่ท่าน
Okay. Ooh, that was a little sketchy. So,
เดี๋ยวหนูไปหายู่รถพ่อดูเป็นไง
so you guys, even that for a local fisherman here, even that is a pretty sketchy situation because even if he wants to just kill the snake, which a lot of people will do, it's difficult from inside that net because he can't get his machete in there. There's so many things that he can't get to it in there. So this was probably doing him a big favor. That's a big crate in there. I'm not going to tie it in a knot because I don't want to get my hands all in here, not with all this mud and slippery stuff and all that. So, all right. Well, I just finished working out, just finished taking a shower, and what do you think I'm going to do when I get back to the house? So, and then he's got a bunch of fish in there, snakeheads and all kinds of stuff. So obviously
Let me
this
show you guys.
crate is after all that. Apple scales, snakeheads. Okay. I'm looking to see if there's anything we should have for our fish food. So after further discussion, this gentleman is a friend of Apple's dad. So we have both never been over here before. This is his land and it's so close to our house, but yet this is kind of like unexplored territory for us. So we actually are going to come back at some point and have him take us around because he knows his area, of course. But at the moment, we are going to go look at another fish trap. Now this particular fish trap is already being placed back into service again. And this morning what happened was he went to come check the fish trap, and as he walked right along here, he saw that obvious black and yellow banded krait staring at him, and he just turned around and bailed. And his intention was to get his phone and call us so we could come help him get it out of the net. So that actually worked out really cool. That was a big, beautiful krait. And I guess now we're gonna go look at some other traps, but they probably don't have kraits in them, but they'll be fishing there. And Apple has gotten a bag full of fish also for her family, some snakeheads and things. So kind of interesting morning, unexpected, and like I said, unscripted and spontaneous. Lots of gourami.
Yes หนูน้อยมันเลาะมันเป็นเนาะ
ได้
เอาเรื่องลงนั่นนี่
Oh, there's a snake in there.
นักเห็นงูเลยได้พ่อ
There's a puff face right
ตัวเล็
here.
กตัวเล็กตัวเล็ก
There is the black
Right here. With a fish in his stomach.
สารดีขนาด
ตัวเล็ก
I
ตัว
can
นี้
I
เอา
can
ได้
get
ตัว
him
นี้
out.
ทำท่านได้นี่
You can just let him go. We'll just let him go.
ตัวนี้เดี๋ยวสีป้อยพี่เด่นเป็นว่า
เนี่ย
ค่ะ
ตื่นอยู่
มันกินปลาอยู่ในท้องมันให้ได้กินปลากระดีอ้าวเด้มันบ่มีพิษค่ะตัวนี้แล้วสิ
No, he won't.
จับ
With a fish in his
แล้ว
stomach, he
สิบ่
won't go
ออก
through.
มันบ่ออกค่ะ เพราะว่ามันฆ่าปลาอยู่ใน
I
ท้
can
อง
reach
มั
in
น
and get him. It's easy.
there he's got it
Yeah.
Lisa show it in the camera that's a cobra just kidding
ตัวดูเนาะตัวดูเนาะคน
With a fish in his stomach.
เอาไว้มันบูทึกเลยเพื่อนนี่ละ
oh
เขาเจ้าบูทึกสูบน้
yeah this is he said this is less fish for the day
คนในมุก
normally he got
ำคน
more
ในมุก
than
ใครก็บูมาบูมากับพวกเป็นกับบูได้กินเดี๋ยวเอาเข้าถุงมันก่อนลูก
You want plastic or you want my pillowcase?
you gave me these it's okay
Oh, okay.
it's okay I watched them
เนี่ยครับมันเขาจะถือสละมันบูได้เอาหยาเลยลูกเอาเนี่ยปูดิ
oh
บูได้มันนี่มึงดูดิมันบูได้เอามีฝรั่ง
มันจะหนีบเดตีมันหนีบหมดเดตีปอนมาหนีบปั๊บเลย โอเควู้กูรามี ปลากระพง
นี่แหละพวกกระบุมันแตกแล้วของเนี่ยอยู่ในน้ำ
ค่ะนี่
เอาได้ลูกมันเอาไปได้มัน
Well, you guys, we came with snake bags. We didn't come for fish, so we'll let this puff face water snake go.
คนอยู่ในงูผู้นี้ไปเห็นงูเล่นจนหาจุกได้
อยู่บ้านนั่นคุณครูอยู่โรงเรียนเพิ่นโทรมาเพิ่นเห็นงูเพิ่นก็ฟ้าวโทรมาหาหนูก็ไปเรียนฟ้าวลงไปแล้วก็ไปกับมันไปแล้วก็นี่ก็บ่เป็นหยังโอเคขอบคุณนะคะ
Kapkun Kap.
ลูกค่ะ
So the sun is about to go down. This is the time that the krait is going to start being active because they're nocturnal. So we wanted to do a release by the water, which is natural habitat for the kraits, but we didn't want to do it in the dark. We wanted to do it in the daylight to hopefully give you all a nice look at the krait. So I am going to first have to undo the knot. Okay. I don't know if this snake is going to move fast or not. Hopefully it does not move very fast. There you go. You guys are getting a really nice look at that snake. That is just beautiful. I always tell people with the reptiles, in the reptile world, anytime you have a snake that is in the color scheme of black and yellow, it is just super appealing for some reason to most people, whether it's a bumblebee, an insect, or whatever it ends up being. But I just love this color combo. It is just really, really beautiful to me. Their head and their tail is very similar. The tails are always kind of stubbed on these snakes, and it basically mimics the head. So if a predator comes at this snake, there's a really good chance that it's going to hide the head for safety and present that tail out there for a predator to not grab the business end and go for the tail. So I'm going to kind of wake this snake up a little bit and see if we can get it to head into the water. There you go, there you go, there you go. Wow, that is awesome. And that is it, off into the sunset. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one. Take care.